Welcome to E1011 Labs. We're on a mission to make you feel sublime by entwining ancient holistic traditions with future-proof innovations. Let's get started. What's in the starter kit? Our Elon Starter Kit comes with everything you need to enjoy cannabinoids. The Elon Starter Kit comes with the Elon device, stem uplift, stem relax, and a USB Type-C charger. Elon is a fast-changing, self-cleaning, low-temperature heating device that's made with aerospace materials designed for optimal cannabinoid intake. Stems are pre-packed flower cartridges intended to be used with Elon. They're made with premium hemp flower, rich in cannabinoids and botanical terpenes. The hemp flower used is thoroughly sourced and expertly lab-tested by a third-party certified laboratory. Scan the QR code on the top right corner of your stem pack to access its COAs. The Elon comes partially charged and should be ready to use immediately. Simply take a stem depending on how you're feeling, uplift for a midday pick-me-up, and relax for when it's time to wind down. Insert your chosen stem. Give it a little twist into the device and the green lights should immediately begin blinking. No lights? Maybe you need to insert the stem all the way to the bottom of the chamber. The blinking green lights mean that Elon is beginning its heating process and on its way to delivering cannabinoids and tasty terpenes. The Elon is entirely button-free and does not require you to turn it on or off. Sessions will automatically begin once stem is inserted and will end after around 3 minutes and 30 seconds. You'll know that the session has ended when the lights go off automatically. Need to pause? No problem. When the stems are inserted into the device, gently blow into the sensor O from a distance. Ready to resume? Let's go. Blow into the sensor O and the green light should resume. It's not recommended that sessions are paused for longer than 5 minutes. This maintains that the stem is still fresh and not overheated. Lights will blink red to indicate low power mode. You might be able to use Elon for one more session, but get ready to charge soon. To check for battery levels, please take the detachable head of the Elon and hold it against the heating chamber like this. If the lights display green, you're good to go. If the lights display red, you should plan a charge soon. To charge, simply plug this end into your device and plug this end into a computer or wall outlet. The red light on the device should begin to pulsate, indicating that Elon is charging. Accidents happen, and sometimes we spill something in our device. Not to worry. Simply take a Q-tip and gently swab the inside of your Elon. Do not use any cleaning solutions or abrasives to clean your device. This may damage the sensors and intricate electrical components within your device. Not turning on? Try twisting and pushing your stem to the bottom of the device so that the sensors within the heating chamber can detect the stem. Lights blinking red? It's time for a charge. Still blinking red after a charge? Please check that the wall plug is compatible with our device and use a USB port on a computer instead. Still having issues? Reach out to our support team via email, live chat or phone. We're here to help. Don't forget to register your device on our site for our warranty. As much as we'd like to think you're using your Elon and stems at every second of every day, most of you probably are not. To properly store your Elon Starter Kit, please ensure that stems are removed from the heating chamber and that your Elon is clean. Do not leave your Elon plugged in for extended periods of time, as this may reduce the lifespan of the battery.